Hi. For this strategy, we need 200 EMA. Okay, 200 EMA. And then we need xtrend indicator. Just type xtreme. Okay, it's this one, extreme trend. So the setting is default. Okay, don't change anything. And then you need Donchian Trend Ribbon by Lonesome. So the setting is 30. All right. Okay, so for buy, you want the extreme trend to be blue. Okay, it turns blue here. And the price has to be above the 200 EMA, and the Donchian has to be red. Okay, so here is a valid signal. So you can buy there, you can buy here, and your stop loss is below last swing high. All right, so you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5, doesn't matter. All right, so another rule is if the stop loss is too big, okay, you don't take a trade. Okay, so we have a signal here. So if you want to buy here, your stop loss is down there, so it's too big, so we don't take it. So how big is very subjective, but it has to make sense. Okay, so to me this is too huge. And another thing is, why do we buy when Donchian is red? Because we want to buy at the bottom. Okay, we don't want to buy at the top. Okay, so here we have another signal. All right, Donchian red, price above 200 EMA, and we have a blue arrow here. So stop loss is down there. So the stop loss is very small. So here is a good trade. All right. So you can target 1 to 2. Okay. Okay. So for sell, it's the opposite. The price has to be below 200 EMA, and then the extreme trend has to turn orange here. So the arrow, and then Donchian has to be green. Okay. So here we have a signal. So your stop loss is last swing high. So it's here. So if you target 1 to 2, you get stopped out. Okay. If you target 1 to 1.5, you can get here. And then we have another signal. Okay. Price is below 200 EMA, it turned orange, and the Donchian is green. Okay, so we have a sell here. So stop loss is right there. So the stop loss is not that big, so we can take this trade and target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. Okay, so here we have another one. All right, Donchian green below 200 EMA. So stop loss is a bit subjective, so you can like logical swing high. So you can target 1 to 2. Okay, so here we have another one. All right, Donchian green above 200 EMA. I'm sorry, below 200 EMA. Okay, can target 1 to 2. So the reason why we don't sell when Donchian is red, because we don't want to avoid the situation. Okay, we don't want to sell at the bottom. We want to sell at the top near the 200 EMA. Okay, so if you like that video, please subscribe. Okay, thanks.